law is a crucial framework that usually governs the relationship between nations, and it ensures peace, security, and cooperation on a global scale. So, international law, in its Puritan form or in moral form, is the sum of rules accepted by civilized states, either explicitly or tacitly, as determined their conduct towards each other and towards each other's subject. These rules are binding on the nations in their relationships with each other, both in times of peace and war. They encompasses the rights and duties of sovereign uh, states towards one another. Also, international law regarded as a binding by nations. This means that countries are expected to adhere to these rules in their interactions, ensuring a stable and predictability international order. It outlines the right and duties of sovereign states. For example, the right to territorial integrity and duty to respect the sovereignty of other state. Also, international law has, as you know, evolved significantly over time um, uh, through historical incidents. Initially, it was focused on the conduct of states during war and peace. However, it has expanded to address new global challenges such as human rights, environmental protection, and international trade. So today, international law governs relationship beyond political and geographical constraints. It embraces all of humanity, irrespective of color, creed, religion, political affiliation. Uh, so we can say that international law is now a dynamic force embodying human efforts and human rights for peaceful coexistence. It adapts to changing needs of global community. For example, the Paris Agreement on climate change, the International Criminal Court's role in prosecuting war crimes, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. So, to conclude with, international law is a body of rules that governs the conduct of states and their relationships with each other. It has evolved over time to address new challenges and now play a vital role in maintaining global peace, security, and also to protect global climate change.